there, and welcome to this new Wow Money video. Did you know that you can make money on YouTube without ever showing your face or even make any video? Yeah, it sounds crazy, but people are actually making money on YouTube without ever making any video. Today I'm going to be showing you 10 different video ideas to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. This way you'll never run out of video ideas. And in this video today, I'm not only going to be showing you video ideas to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face, but I'm also going to show you example channels that are doing it. So you can see example channels making these same type of videos that I'm going to be revealing to you today. And on top of that, I will give you a bonus tip and I will show you actually how you can start generating these videos, or better yet, how you can get people to generate the videos for you. Now, before we start, consider subscribing to our channel, Wow Money. We post content every single week to help you make money online and become 100% financially free from home. And turn on the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And if you want to learn how you can make $500 every single day, just check our website, wowmoney.net. You will find information and details about how you can make money online from the comfort of your house. Okay, so let's jump straight into the video. So video idea number 10 is tech videos. Yes, you can actually make money on YouTube with very simple tech videos. And you can see here this channel called Tech Zone with 2.8 million subscribers. And if you take a look at their social blade statistics, they're getting an insane 15 million views per month, making between 3.9 and 62,000 US dollars every single month from ads alone. And you need to know that this kind of channels, tech channels, are what we call high CPM niche. Meaning that there's more advertisers advertising on videos like this than on other type of videos. And look at this, the videos that this channel produces are literally just other people's videos with other people's content and a voiceover on top of them. Now you might be wondering, how can they actually use other people's content on YouTube? How about copyrights? Well, think about it. They're showing a bunch of different tech products, which the owners of these products would love to promote themselves, and they're basically essentially getting free advertising. Also, YouTube has what we call fair use policy that allows you to use different people's videos as long as you make them transformative. So to use these videos, what you can do is basically go to channels like Tech Zone, check the products they're presenting, reach out to the people who own the products and say, hey, I'm thinking about starting a YouTube channel just like Tech Zone, and I was wondering if I can use your videos within my videos, and make it sound like it's going to be free advertising for their videos. A lot of companies will be okay with it, and you shouldn't have a problem with that. Or you can just make videos that fall under the fair use policy. And then you don't even have to ask for permission to use the footage as long as you make it transformative by doing things like adding a voiceover, which is exactly what Tech Zone is doing. Now, video idea number 9 is statistics channels. You might have seen channels like this on YouTube. And here's an example channel called Wawamu Stats. As you can see, 345,000 subscribers, and they get a lot of views on their videos. And their videos are very simple to make. They're literally just these statistics maps, and they're incredibly easy to generate. We have already made a video in our channel explaining exactly how you can generate these videos in just clicks using a free software. You will find the video in the description box. Now, if you look at the social blade statistics of this channel, 2 million views a month and making as much as 8,000 US dollars every single month from ads alone. And they never even show their faces, alright? So video idea number 9 is health videos. So what I mean by health videos, let's take a look at this channel called Natural Cures. As you can see, 3.1 million subscribers. And if we take a look at their social blade statistics, 2.3 million views per month. They're making as much as 9.6 thousand US dollars every single month from ads revenue alone. And the videos are literally just voiceovers with text on the videos using other people's pictures and videos, etc. So you might be wondering how you're going to actually get the content to use in the channels like this. Well, what we recommend doing is simply go to the websites called pixabay.com or pixels.com, and you can simply search things like earth or leaves, and you will find tons and tons of completely free images and videos that you can use for 100% free. And then simply do a voiceover on top of these videos and you will have a video ready to be posted. And here's a bonus tip for you as well. If you don't want to wait to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can actually monetize your channel, like a health channel, with just incorporating affiliate marketing links in your description. Basically, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every single sale that you get. So imagine you have people going to your channel who are interested in health. Now imagine if you presented a product to them, these people are probably going to be interested in buying these products, right? You can actually find products in places like clickbank.com. If you go to the marketplace section, you will find tons and tons of products in different niches. And you can get a percentage for every single sale that you make. And that's how you multiply your earnings on YouTube. Video idea number 7 is quiz videos. So take a look at this channel right here called 1 Million Tests. It's got almost 700,000 subscribers and they make these super simple videos like what does your hair color say about your personality, etc. Just videos like this where they use stock footage videos and animations and they never even have to show their faces running channels like this. And take a look at this. This channel is getting 2.5 million views a month. And they're making up to $10,000 a month from ads alone, which is absolutely crazy. Now, video idea number 6 is financial channels. So look at this channel right here called alux.com. And as you can see, 3.3 million subscribers. And they simply do videos talking about rich people, talking about wealth and luxury items, etc. And taking a look at their social blade statistics, they get 7 million views per month. Just with these very simple videos where it's literally just a voiceover showing stock images and stock videos, and that is all. And yet these videos make a lot of views. And look at this, $28,000 a month and $336,000 a year from ads alone. Video idea number 5 is meditation videos. Take this channel right here as an example, Michael Seeley. 1.3 million subscribers. Pretty much all of his videos are just meditations with like stock videos in the background, and he records the meditations himself. But let me give you a quick trick. If you go to fiverr.com and you search meditation on Fiverr, you can literally find people who will make meditations for you starting from only $5. So imagine you pay $5 to someone to make a video meditation for you and you literally do nothing. And if you look at the social blade statistics of Michael Seeley, he gets 4 million views a month with these types of videos and making up to $16,000 every single month, which is insane. Video idea number 4 is life hack videos. And I'm sure you've seen videos like this on YouTube. They're extremely popular. And the best example channel is 5 Minutes Craft. Almost 70 million subscribers. And if we take a look at the social blade statistics, 163 million views a month. That's absolutely crazy. And they're making between $41 and $655 a month. Yes, in 1 month, they're making $655,000. And their videos are literally just life hacks videos. As you can see, they're literally just showing life hacks put in a camera app and filming their hands doing different life hacks without even showing their faces. So you could do them yourselves too without showing your face, or you could potentially pay someone to make these life hacks videos for you. It's absolutely insane how many views these videos are getting. Now let's jump to video idea number 3, the scary stories niche. So take a look at this channel right here, Mr. Nightmare, with 5.1 million subscribers. And they just do videos like short, scary stories. And if we take a look at the social blade statistics, they're getting 11 million views a month, literally just recording videos and voiceovers for these scary stories, and then just putting stock footage in the background, and that is all. And again, you can find pictures on pixabase.com or pixels.com and use them within your videos. And for the actual scary stories, just go to fiverr.com. Type in scary story and you will literally find people who will write scary stories for you for $5. That's so cool. You literally do nothing and you still make a ton of money from it. Now, the last video idea in this channel is the list videos. I'm sure you've seen videos talking about top 10 fastest cars in the world or top 10 best animals in the world, etc. Now, the thing about these channels is that a lot of them get a lot of views. Like, look at this channel right here, top 5 best. 5.1 million subscribers, and they literally just do videos like 15 unbelievable things found frozen in the ice, 15 most expensive things people actually bought, etc. Now let's take a look at the Social Blade statistics. 18 million views a month, making up to 73,000 US dollars a month, which is huge, guys. These videos get a ton of views. But also, this channel posts very frequently, and that's actually the secret to succeed on YouTube. Consistency. Post at least 3 to 4 times a week, and you will start generating YouTube revenues in no time. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Wow Money. We post valuable videos to help you make money online and build online income streams from home. And don't forget to check our website, wowmoney.net, to learn more about how you can make money online and the money making secrets and tips. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.